At ReAgent, we have a specialised water manufacturing facility designed to produce USP water for injection in large volumes. It's also called USP WFI. This grade of purified water has to comply with the United States Pharmacopoeia monograph, an internationally recognised standard whose specification guarantees a particular quality level. USP water for injection has to meet a very low limit for microbial content. The equipment and procedures we use at ReAgent are designed to control microbial contamination and remove them from our source water. All the water we produce to USP standards is low in impurities such as heavy metals, nitrates, chlorides and sulfates. It also meets conductivity and pH specifications. We store and package the water accordingly. Our USP water is typically used for pharmaceutical purposes where a high water quality is critical, such as cleaning certain equipment and parenteral product contact components. It can be used in the processing, formulation and manufacture of pharmaceutical products, as an active pharmaceutical ingredient and as an analytical reagent. So, how do we make USP water for injection? Our manufacturing process begins with mains water. The purifying process removes impurities using a blend of ion exchange, UV treatment, filtration to 0.2 micron and reverse osmosis. After purification, both the water and its container are sterilised using specialised systems, ensuring both the product and packaging are contaminant-free. This process gives the water an extended shelf life, so the quality is guaranteed up to the expiry date on our packaging. ReAgent can supply USP water in any size from 25 litre containers to 1,000 litre IBCs, scalable to your operational requirements. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. We hold multiple ISO certifications, and our USP water undergoes weekly in-house analysis, as well as regular independent third-party testing. This guarantees consistent purity, safety and reliability. Additionally, our system is rigorously validated and regularly sanitised to maintain optimal bioburden control. With nearly 50 years of expertise and a commitment to excellence, ReAgent is your trusted partner in USP water for injection and other types of purified water. Contact us today to discuss your requirements.